OABC is a trapezium. Point D is the midpoint of BC. Point E is the midpoint of AC. O to A is 2A, A to B is 4B, and O to C is 8B. They're already all drawn on the graph, on the diagram. So now, we write these vectors in terms of A and B. So we're going from O to B. So O is here to B. So I'm going with 2A and then with 4B. So my answer is 2A plus 4B. A to C. So here's A. And I can't go along E and D because they're not called anything. So I need to go against 2A and with 8B. Against 2A is minus 2A and with 8B is plus 8B. And then A to E. A to E is the midpoint. So E is the midpoint of A to C. So if I've already got A to C and I want E to C or A to E, it's half of that. So it's going to be minus A plus 4B. So half of that one there. E to D and O to C are parallel. So I've got E to D, and O to C are parallel. We need to show that. So I need to find E to D. And I also need to find O to C, and hopefully they'll turn out scalar multiples of each other. So O to C we've already got is 8B. Now, we've just said that A to E, so this one here, A to E, is minus A plus 4B. I want to go from E, so I want to start at E, and I'm going from E to A, so I need to figure out E to A. Then I'm going to go from A to B, so I need to figure out A to B. And then I'm going from B to D, so I also need to figure out B to D. So earlier we found out E to A. Well, we're doing it backwards. We're doing A to E this time, which is effectively E to A is minus A to E. So we're doing minus minus A, which is going to be A, and then minus positive 4B, which is minus 4B. So I've done E to A. A to B I've got from the diagram is 4B. Now I want to look at B to D. Now B to D I'm going to need to do a bit more working for. So I'm going to do my working for B to D. I'm going to do it down here for now. So B to D, I'm going minus 4B minus 2A plus 8B. Now that's not actually B to D, that's B to C. But notice how B to D, because D is halfway, B to D is going to be half of what I've just written. So it's going to be minus 2B minus A plus 4B. So I can now add that on up here. So minus 2B minus A plus 4B. Now all I need to do is put all that together. So I've got A, take away A is nothing. 4B, minus 4B add 4B is nothing. Minus 2B plus 4B is 2B. So I've got the E to D is 2B, and I've got the O to C is 8B. So O to C is 4 lots of E to D. Therefore, they are scalar multiples and are parallel.